I love getting together with friends and family, going camping, hiking, and having a moment of freedom under the sky. But every trip, the same question nags me. Which light should I bring? Outdoor lights? White light is too cold and too harsh. The indoor floor lamp? Beautiful, but too bulky, too fragile for the outdoors. This is Decktok Fold Light V1. Fits your car, fits your bag, fits your ride. Bend it, flip it, twist it. Lightweight, foldable, always with you. It is not just a light, but also assistant to liven up the atmosphere around you, laughing and singing, creating unforgettable moments of joy. It lights up the dark night and set the perfect mood for every outdoor gathering. The light dances with the music, quickly drawing everyone into the moment. Look, that's the surprise I've been saving for you. Handheld for lighting your path. It's a signal in the night. Sets the mood, bringing everyone closer together. Used in camping. Place it anywhere you like. Charge your phone. Also perfect for your home. Create the perfect lighting mood for any moment. Comfortable lighting for indoor reading. Bedside nightlight. Mood lighting for house parties. Decktok Fold Light V1, your foldable mood light and ambiance assistant.